I know you see the back, but that's just my mask and stuff like that because, you know, I'm out here thugging. You know what I'm saying?
Look good and look good.
What's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones, and thank you so much for returning back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to cook good and look good all of the low. So I know you're looking at me and you're like, why do you have gloves on and a mask? Well, I am unboxing and I am professional. Okay, so as you can see, I am prepared to drum roll. Somebody who has rhythm, do a drum roll in your head and show you the last of my beta ingredients. Okay, so being that am the plug for, you know, getting you some actual factuals, I'm gonna show you where I got my spices from, or tell you where I got my spices from, and talk to you about the value of the ingredients that I'm pulling out, and you know, you'll be able to start applying these things, you feel me? So, first box is from, yes, it is blacked out, but just in case y'all was trying it. First box is from Mount Hope, okay? Very casual box, U-liner. Got me an aluminum knife to open up the box. Okay, I got me an aluminum knife, and I'm opening up the box so I can get to my ingredients for my spice. Whenever you are creating, you gotta be able to get advice. So comment in the bottom just in case you want to say something. I'ma listen. Okay, so first thing we got. Can we read that, y'all? And straight up. So we have some Momo roasted seaweed. And this is Nori, to be specific, y'all. This is what she makes sushi with. Very common seaweed. This is straight up from mommy. And the properties are pretty great when you use a lot of it. You know what I'm saying? It is a salt alternative and can get you a next level of, you know, sea flavor without having the fish incorporation. So that's what this baby is for. It is potassiumed up. There is protein in them. So every sheet has 1 gram of protein. Think about it, y'all. Dietary fiber on decade. And that's something you need to understand when you are actually eating these things. You ever have a problem with your digestion after eating seaweed? No. If anything, you feel more regular. So, regularity. Nori. Okay? So, Momo Nori. We got turmeric. Alright? And the thing that I like about Mount Hope is that they have a QR code. So, if you ever, like, don't know where you got it from, or this, you know, part of your label goes away, you can't find it, you don't know what it is, QR code, you'll find exactly what you need, the exact product, boom. And this is great for non-members as well, so you'd be like, what did I get? Instead of being able to have to look through your email in history. It's open, y'all. Great for inflammation. When I tell you, you need to be using turmeric, you need to be using turmeric. I don't care if you make a turmeric tea, if you make a turmeric, you know, spice, if you go ahead and make a turmeric drink, it doesn't matter. If you have any problems with swelling, if you have arthritis, if you have anything that has to do with you poofing up and being inflamed, go ahead and get you some turmeric. And as you can see in this package, this is a whole 1 pound. And I just want to say the Nori is about 3.5 ounces, which is 105 grams. I wanted to say that because people might want to know exactly how much comes in them. 50 sheets might not mean anything to somebody. But 1 pound of turmeric, great for inflammation. And shorty, when I tell you it's a flavor enhancer, without being a like a culprit of, you know, being disgusting, turmeric's your girl. Now, smoked paprika. A lot of the time, people frown on smoked paprika. And I'm like, you can't sleep on smoked paprika because it is the paprika of choice. Chefs use paprika, the like Scandinavian and the, you know, smoked paprikas of the world get used. Okay? And I love when I taste smoked paprika in something because it is definitely a flavor enhancer. Don't frown at it because you think it's just the bougie version. It is the version you need to have in your kitchen if you want to stun on them. Okay? Thank you. Period. That's advice from your girl. Second package is from Great American Spice. And they are a company I have not used before. So when I can't find my ingredients, I automatically Google the next wholesale of spices. I've never used this company before, but ain't nobody scared about, you know, their first time, okay? Boom. Now the very first spice that I pulled out is lime because I can smell it. This is a very fragrant, lovely product that can take your food from 0 to 100 real quick. I won't be funny and say that lime peel is a slept on product, okay? Don't be scared to use it. Great for, you know, vitamin A consumption. And if you want to spark up your meals, very zesty. You heard me? Okay. This is ground thyme. And I love ground thyme because unfortunately I don't like a lot of stuff on my tongue when I'm eating. So I'd rather have the flavor and not the mouthful. I'll let the vegetables do what it needs to, okay? Then I have crushed red pepper, which again is a must-have when you are trying to spice it up. Both smoked paprika and crushed red pepper are must-haves, y'all. Don't sleep on it. And this is good on everything. You ever just put some crushed red pepper on your pizza and you be like, dang! Put on top of your pasta, you be like, whoa! A little bit on your Asian cuisine. You know what I mean? Then we have red pepper. This is red cayenne pepper to be specific. I'm a Southern girl. You need to have cayenne pepper in something. And if you ain't got cayenne pepper in it, it's not for you. A lot of people I've heard traditionally use this for high blood pressure and, you know, losing weight. You know, they'll make themselves an apple cider cayenne pepper drink quick and fast with a little bit of honey. Get your bright honey. Then we have yellow mustard seed powder. And I want you to know, if you want to enhance your chicken, this is what you do. You put a little bit of mustard powder on there and you be like, dang, that's to put it all the way up. Thank you, Lord. Brought it up a notch. Great sneak in into some deviled eggs. You don't know nothing about that. Especially when you up here don't like regular French mustard, or whatever that yellow mustard common brand is that they have out here. Then we have a unique baby. I want to bring out all the peppers right now and let them know red cayenne pepper and jalapeno powder have great options in vitamin C. It's a thing that this, you know, it's a thing that these three have in common. They just up here giving you that power and that zest and giving you the best that they can, making your immune system bright, keeping it all in check. You heard me? But specifically, jalapeno powder give you that potassium that you get. You be trying to get in life. You feel me? You don't have to always eat a banana. Sometimes you can get some jalapenos. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I got some light brown sugar. And this right here, when you're working with, you know, spices, every so often you'll see a product that has a lovely sugar in there to, you know, co-balance, you know, the spice, the salt. You know what I'm saying? Get you right, get you tight, ladies and gentlemen. And that is my babies. My spices right here. If you want to check out these wholesale spice places, check out Mount Hope. Now, again, Mount Hope sounded like a street name. And the Great American Spice, the Great American Spice, the Great American Spice. Alright? Okay? All info will be down below. And thank you for tuning in. Bye! What's up, y'all? Go ahead and comment below if you want to be followed on IG. This is the time, this is the place. I will follow your face. Let's get into it. The first 10 people who comment below in this video and say spice will get a follow back. You heard me.